In this module, I'll go over applying watermarks to your document, as well as creating custom watermarks and removing watermarks. When you are collaborating on documents with others or are routing drafts of documents, you may want to mark the document as draft or private with a watermark. This allows the recipient to see at a glance the type of document it is. Word automatically applies a watermark to every page except a designated cover page. So let's go ahead and add a watermark to our document. Watermarks are under the Design tab, so let's click Design. Go all the way over to the right to the Page Background group and click Watermark. From here we have multiple options available to us through Word. So we can choose one of the options and add it, and you can see it has added it to our page. If we come out, add another page, it's there as well. That's how you add one of the default watermarks. If you want to create one of your own custom watermarks, you can do that as well. So first, let's remove the watermark we put on this document so we can create a custom watermark. So we'll come back over to the Page Background group, click on Watermark, and choose Remove Watermark. Now as a note, if the watermark you're trying to remove will not remove by using this option, that means the watermark was applied to a specific section of the document. To remove it, double-click to open the header area of any page containing the watermark. Click the watermark to select it and then click Delete. Okay, now let's add a custom watermark. We'll again come over to the Page Background, click Watermark, and click Custom Watermark. Once we do this, it's going to bring up the Printed Watermark dialog box. From here we've got some options available to us. We can choose a picture for our watermark or text. What we want to do is text, so we're going to click the text box. We're going to use English, and then we can insert whatever text we want here. We can choose a font, size, we want it auto, we can choose a color for it, diagonal or horizontal, and then apply and close. Now we've got our custom watermark on our document. If this is a watermark we're going to use over and over, we can save it as a custom watermark so that we don't have to go out each time and manually add it. In order to save it as a custom watermark, we need to go into the header area of our document. So we'll double click up here. And you'll notice now that the watermark is not grayed out. So at this point, we're going to click on the watermark, and you can see it's got the selection handles around it to show us that it's got it marked. Now we're going to go back to the Design tab, Watermark, and click Save Selection to Watermark Gallery. Here we're going to give it a name. We can choose a category for it, give it a description, and then we can choose OK. We'll double click back in our document. Now if we come over to Watermarks, scroll down to our General category, we've got our internal document watermark. So now, if I want to add it to another document, come to Design, Watermark, come down to my General, and there I go. So that's how you add a watermark, remove a watermark, and create a custom watermark and save it to your system. But always remember, if you go to remove a watermark and it won't remove easily for you, go to a page where you see the watermark, double click within the header area, and you can manually remove it by selecting it and hitting delete.